ha, ha. I see this boy has been naughty today. So has he too. Now let me go get some kids to show you who also has been naughty. See these? They've been naughty too today. I don't think they get any presents. Although I had a big present planned. It's so humongous, I'm sitting on it. It's a pillow cushion, you know. Even though you guys don't get it now, I do. Let's see now who also has been naughty. I wonder. Let's fly there with my new reindeer. My reindeer especially hasn't been naughty. He knows he'll get treats if he isn't. Can I get that reindeer right there? Oh. There we are. This girl has been naughty too. Yes. Ha. That is something. Oh, yes, she's been naughty. I've seen her been naughty. Okay, I guess. Someone draw that? Now let me think. Looks like it. Reindeer, time to move. Okay, let's be nice. He's been good this year. Okay, this girl has been naughty as a pillow. It looks like she's been fighting her sister, which we'll get onto later. But she doesn't get any presents either. Man, there's a lot of people now. Oh. Yes, you're exactly right. Moving on here. And this is her sister. She was watching SpongeBob. Ha. Yes, she's been naughty too. Now, bye. I guess I gotta go make good presents for good people. Ha.